Hi everyone, and welcome back to your favorite tech hub, Code Planet. Now in today's video, I want to show you how you can resolve this issue just in case you have a corrupt USB drive or a failed USB drive which happened due to installation or power outage. Now in this video, I'll show you how to resolve that in just 2 minutes. Now this is also to let you know that I have a lot in stock for you when it comes to tech. So if you're interested in Excel, learning Excel, intermediate and advanced Excel, if you're interested in learning SQL, if you're interested in learning data analysis, if you're interested in ethical hacking, don't worry, I got you guys covered, and I'm going to create episodes of these tech skills so that you can watch them and learn. So let's jump in and get this USB issue solved. The first thing you need to do is you come to your search corner and type command prompt, or you type CMD, which is command prompt. You select this, and then as soon as your command prompt comes up, the next thing you need to do is you need to type here. Make sure you are on the user corner, and then you type disk part, just like that, and you hit enter. And then when you get this prompt, all you need to do is click yes, and then it's going to bring out the second windows where you can now do your disk formatting. Okay, at this very point, all you need to type here is you just type list disk, and then you hit enter. Now at this very point, you need to be very careful. Whatever you do, avoid disk 0, because this is your system's hard drive. Now this is the flash stick which you couldn't open or which got corrupted. Now all you need to do at this very point is say select disk 1. So remember, avoid disk 0. So once you do that, you hit enter. Now it has selected disk 1. So what do you want to do at this very point? You want to clean up your disk. So you just type clean, and then you hit enter. And then it says disk part succeeded in cleaning the disk. Now yours might not have this GPT. Okay, yours might not have this GPT. So at this very point, all you need to do is you come to this part again and type convert GPT, and then you hit enter. Now you can see where it says disk part successfully converted the selected disk to GPT format. Now if this actually failed, all you need to do is go through this process again and just run your clean again, and then retry your convert GPT again, and it's going to give you this successful response. Now what do you do at this very point? Now you just simply type create partition primary, and then you hit enter, and it's going to create a partition for you in that your USB. So what do you do at this very point? Now you simply just go back to your my computer, and then you come to this part and select USB, and it's going to ask you to format your USB drive. Okay, now at this very point, you're going to lose everything, but not to worry, you're going to get your USB back. So you just come here and say format disk, and then everything is okay. You leave it at FAT32, which is the default, and then just leave it at this, and then we just come here and say start, and okay the prompt, allow it to format your disk properly, and then it says format complete. So now you can just close this, and you now have access to your USB drive. So in the next video, I'll show you how you can recover lost files, or if there are files you've lost in your USB. Watch out for the next video coming up shortly. All right guys, so more videos coming up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to be part of the family. So I'll see you right on the next video. Cheers and bye bye for now.